Abusianche ne yakasa kakrafa multimedia ho abre fia poku free ho ko join a despite group of companies. Now even before class be free one na manfo agigi din binum free ho dada. And after so free one so manfo agigi din multimedia ho no binum asen free ho biem. Now when first video no na me question nyina e ba akopɛ. What is going on at multimedia? Adentia omo maye adwuma ho agigi din yabo company ni in a way. Ama company na ko nanim up to now. No, Master TV free was her. In less than a month, still no any pay free multimedia. And it begs the question yet again, say, what is really going on at multimedia? The topic when I feel say na right time as you talk about this topic. Now you show more free one. No me see ya and more free one. At least some of them, Nipa team get it together. This is an episode you want to watch and share. So what's our questions about this whole multimedia thing now? Yes, I see. Abusian video when we will look at a few of the people that free one. Ni near ye ntia. Chise mo free one. Abra amanfo bi mo mo nya adwuma ho dada no. Ebe pese nko mo ye adwuma multimedia. No mo ye adwuma ho no. Omo mo free ho. Now let's try one to the chance with Black Rasta. Black Rasta no ye adwuma multimedia and I think 19th June 2015. And now Koka or Hits FM say about 80% of Ghana parliamentarians no omunum wi na we to da na hwe Ghana ne se na esiko ne mpanimfo na geda Ghana na no mo binum amoye ya ogura no gwa hwe a obedwen sa but case we no ankwankwa little case sa parliamentarians ne frɛ Black Rasta so mra parliament mra meyi ne nsɛm no kan na mra meyi ne ho ano now oye dwuma multimedia you would think say big company like multimedia na sa asɛm bi say nkura bana omo be frɛ omo weka Black Rasta ba betena se no must strategize how we be approach this our parliament nsem okwa ayeso kan no make ka ho bibiri but how you say no and sister even on one Black Rasta no and ekwohwehwe on one own lawyer a man cancel no on how ne no me so ye ne no mo okwa ayeso kan nyina even HR department of multimedia kra no just omu yi omani kra te se ne omu nya hu nte ne ekoso kra na wanka Black Rasta hiam wa multimedia beboa no ankwa kapensa. But then so say okwa parliament ni mom ne de you know say a news worthy and multimedia de cameras di nachi kokotwa video of ne ekoso ba ma ye kan say news and TV okwo no kwa ne koye and even after that as long as me research into this matter ne koye no multimedia company info no bia amfre na misa no the way forward but ne ye mom ne say bane ne nyum nyina from multimedia platform because say almost say Black Rasta after incident no can say campaign meeting it is a one my phone share mundia na ne wonwum a wabobo as a musician no na ne multimedia brands ni nyina no enye se ye bo wonwum ho now Black Rasta ye nipa o feelings because oye mama campaign kese ti se multimedia say na say asem bi aba na asem anko mu no betimi aboa wo na so obi amoa and on top of that no omo expect say ube go about business obey wadwuma as normal knowing and not thinking feeling say just bibi to okora na you are just working uno dey say mwa bia say nka company betim dia boa no someone bi nuru so but still na company na expect say ube show up obey wadwuma be bibia so every single person bia no will feel the same thing. Black Rasta feel it then, which is betrayal and disappointment. One Monday morning, no already also. That time no resign here. Or yeah, Juma multimedia for 8 years. Second person, Manasseh Ewuni. Manasseh or investigative journalist, Tessa Nas. Or Kokoye documentary before Joy News and that title a militia in the hearts of the nation. Some video on the Babanteno and a National Media Commission describe a video as misleading and misrepresentation. Or more part a video no munsem no kurenim and a sanya nada. Now the documentary for group will be from the I group. Some political vigilantes for ibi or more just say omudi party as foot soldiers here. Bibia party ni here say yon to kwa be pata security kind of no mabino. Sa group we no mo ye adwuma operate Osu Castle. Abra Osu Castle no designated security zone. And now we video no tie nsem na ekoso video no na it's like say NPP aban mu mpanimfo no binum nim sa group yi ho. omu nim omu dwumadie na omu ye no ho no ena omu abo omu ani atra obviously no aban ne condemn sa documentary no ena omu file petition e wo National Media Commission against Joy News say nsem no omu kan wo video no nye nokore nti omu mra metwe sa nsem ne nsan no mo nsan mepa chew now afterwards no multimedia mpanimfo no ba ko Malik Dabu ba bonte be pa chew say time na amanfo e suggest say send a video ni sikoye no nanado nim hu bi nanado nim say sankofo no wo e kan say osuka se e na on pese obepam mo because sankofo no they are for NPP and on top of that no nipa na only this are the I group no omo pedin for no ba ko na ono na ye nanado ne former bodyguard abra no ma mayor president nti we send a video ni sikoye na it created the impression say nanado ba bonti na so okase to cameras there na or condemn sa political vigilantism no but behind the scenes in there it looks like so support quick video no anstate bibia sawom and was not the point of the documentary nti multimedia pa cha o say how be a video no dia bread and nado no omo anu omo ho now ne mama na se ja multimedia no sa wo hwa ate se obi an sheda man meka say this and this and this but put two and two together it looks like say from normal bebre hu no senior multimedia koko pa on his behalf abra video no ye baye no boni bi anim no jese nani anyi the way a multimedia go about sa ache pa no ena amanfo bi no kura de say time o mukwa akopa che no kura no o ma nka nkire no ma mo na mane say ni kura no mukwa akoye ena nka we kenye big deal bia basa na the type of job a oye no which is investigative journalism no just say or the video be a base or more than credibility need diagro because I want you credible in that sector now it's very hard say asema de be ba no amanfo bejedi ana amanfo bedi achiri because obi take time kwa ESI investigations we nyina de ba na okika bom oye de te oyi ne enye ne nyina film na so de bremu Joy News as a company na say mu approve show video no e wo platform so na sa de echi na se obi wa beka say okay asem na oka na wa se ni nye se abra wonim se boni bia ni ne wa yenum no na so mu yi video ni firi ho ba apologize ya na akwa yese ase wa hu de be party na akwa yese am twisted way bi and from multimedia's point of view no me tell omo de na say because omo ya big organization they think about the greater good in this situation akwa yese it's either say ono mono betwe video na san aba be pacha anase mo betwen na ne besi no asi ntino ya mo we na mienu no the fact say is good we say omo be pacha mum than say say omo betwen na the wrath of the political analysis organizations no mo beye no omo beye so officially no that is the reason why Amanase Azuri free multimedia say udiri amanfo na kika na but to me no it's not just this normal bebrebe kokoso a say ebe leading up to this because this one thing nko ade a whether you kwa anim no ube hu nya meka no ho asem yie onu zu ya adwuma for multimedia for 8 years third person Kofi Adoma Nwanwani no ya adwuma bebre ma multimedia from reading news editing news and no host to pampa so e wa adom ne ne keka ho na ne ma Kofi nso free multimedia the real reason no enie Kofi Adoma introduce Kofi TV wa 2016 around that time na period no and na Facebook live video abaso foforo internet say a new thing na amanfo binom say ebinom take advantage of it time is starting happening you know the idea Kofi Adoma nya for the Kofi TV no was you can say okay news wa dom or followers bebre on the personal profile so when I think say during that time no over 180,000 people yeah the idea nya say okay so abeka news na no the camera sini so na nye we twa no Facebook live amani followers na e can say go Facebook no so one no mo at news no say na esi ko e wo Facebook or direct ho and the management of multimedia beka kire ne so nya isa ade no memma ne mfa news adom news no mfa information super highway no so onkonkogu Facebook no so emma onu ni followers no na to them no it's like Kofi Adoma ni use Adom FM ne Adom stuff no edia build on ne brand which is Kofi TV no nti say all broadcast Adom news no akọ Kofi TV ne de onya memma ni nya biem e no te ase e no gyaye nti oye na adwuma normality say ne oye na adwuma wo multimedia na Adom ne ne keka ho na nti owie na adwuma nyina at the end of the day no na ne we invite amanfo obinom te se kunchacha na omo aba no ne na have one-on-one interview bibi te sa e wo multimedia newsroom ho ena multimedia mpani for san ba biem say Kofi Adom ye ka hwe awonte ana men fache say Adom inside wakura men use for Kofi TV no jai sa no man because Adom room in Adom bibia no belongs to Adom not Kofi Adom ena osanti ase eno jai ena ne okọ kan say abonten okọ abonten so a na fe die but me asemo multimedia mpani for na asia ba biem say Kofi Adom na wo so sa na ate men ye videos ne kura wa Adom premises omo parking lot o say yin phone men twa bihwe mfa uhu Adom ne kura nso camera o ti ase ena ne je say omo saki ye fa so omo yi Kofi Adom ansensem nyina free multimedia say ni bibia obetimi aye adwuma mo for multimedia all right but say ba Kofi TV pa ne so be ye Kofi TV video bia around Adom kura na ontwa so na wonyae ena Kofi Adom ati ase eno jaye now multimedia management memma ne nya anything Kofi TV related e wo multimedia inside or say outside of my premises kra but eno na stop Kofi Adom from building Kofi TV and now talking to people doing what he love what he say ena ne course one so I think a year later which is in 2017 Kofi TV started the aging hini no ena multimedia for ya ba Kofi TV ho se on ton Kofi TV man na mra meka multimedia brands ni hu bi Kofi Adom anti ase nti wanti ase no ni omo ye no cheso omo try say after say nka Kofi ya adwuma o multimedia wie no omo making next to impossible say onya time kuran konkoye any video related and video for Kofi TV so the be build on the platform na ni omo ye ni omo share that the morning show e ka Kofi Adom adwuma ho se ne be ya chese onya time nkonkoye sa late interviews for Kofi TV na oye no na ade eche watimi ase asore aba adwuma oti ase bas unim Kofi Adom you know say Kofi is a maniac guy ne na chese oye so hard working say eya na ne wira free say so da oti ase to Kofi Adom ne be sore around 3 am na wa ba multimedia ho aba be ye ne nnuma kakra so ye no we are host the morning show no up to 10 am o we no na wa sign edit for Adom TV news and san wa kwakwa kenkan 6 pm news o we are pampas wo kora wa sign kwakwa pampas wo and san wa sign we are wa sign kwa back to Kofi TV akwa penny pa foforo interview no and san at the next day no wa sign go through that same cycle no yet again nti no mo de fa ase anyeye o mo de fa mfini anyeye o mo de fa asoro anyeye nti sa edru some point no omo ba behu Kofi Adom ni Kofi TV no as competition and to them no they don't want to compete with their employee Kofi Adom abra ono na build this platform of Kofi TV no nti ne amo kokoye ne say they gave Kofi Adom an ultimatum say either say obejai Kofi TV na oye no and as obejai multimedia and you already know what Kofi Adom chose. And nuntia Kofi Adom jai multimedia no. It got worse to the point to say at some point no Kofi Adom for Yakubu kan ne ho say or the build the team which is a fire Yakubu Mark ne the other guy no. Just say model build the Kofi TV platform no. Multimedia who say the time na Yakubu so still na no yet multimedia. Multimedia who say Yakubu yeah beka Kofi TV one ne kwa ba no. Eno mo ma Yakubu so the same ultimatum. So mo say even wako Kofi Adom studio kura na omo be yinadi. And one sickening thing kura na say obi she Kofi Adom ne branded t-shirt the right be multimedia building num no kura na omo mani pa ne kworo sa t-shirt no na wako akwasha atade foforo but obi foforo from TV3 the TV3 atade ba the Peace FM atade ba omo nka hwe so that tells you the relationship na wo Kofi Adom any multimedia ntem. Now, Kofi Adom jai multimedia kokoye Kofi TV o focus we no so no. Some people were even saying say Kofi Adom multimedia aboa na building app no and say onu na jai multimedia no say when ya little Kofi TV brand intelligence onu na jai multimedia. But here is the case that there is a bigger thing going on behind the scenes amanfo bebre nanim. Kofi so ya adwuma for multimedia for 10 years. 1st December 2018 and quitting multimedia. Now, next person, a film lady, a fear pokuya, the film lady. No, so you bebre multimedia, one of the human news editor for Adom FM. Like Nipo bebre yedi kin account one same video, ono nso de yaw pa ene free multimedia after say we year adwuma for multimedia for 17 years. She at a point, she felt rejected by the company. And I'll be winning very soon. It's like the sweat, the long hours. Me say Nediana crowd here just say it do some point to be no fear popia papa yare seriously so they go hospital. A fear ne so no so kind news midday news prem de ben to kase bo se dia de. Enunti chese wantimi anfa no ne papa oyare no anko hospital o sma papa bills mom na de afia pokua papa ko hospital se ne be ya afia pokua no betuma ba be kenkan midday news ama multimedia o kan news ni wi okokodru hospital no sadly no na ne papa na firi. Now that is a very sad news. So enye so bia kra choose work what they say worker at the long run cry 10,000 say enye so bia go through sad and what you say. Now film lady host to show bia a friend burning issues. Sa burning issues na so talk about and say my burn yan kasa. Nti no sa show no host no 8:30 p.m. anwumre kwesi 10 o'clock. No we show na ni producers omo boa no ma show ne ba so ne ekeka hu nyina no. Our motion see and cancer. And so making sure that Sanko phoning in your car to their various homes. That is how good of a person now or yeah, and how serious are not taking a juma. Anyhow, I need a mount for a one mass edgeman basso. Into a be bibiana or bepeka or nunbaka go do in fear waterman. Now about around by 1 a.m. At some point, the car no used to say for months. Now the taxi any free. Quite can say I don't make more cocoa. They call tema ni fie. Ntino wo time obey obekwa koduru fie 1 o'clock ne ne ekeka ho na owia no pa be 5:30 so wo back to adwumam ntino wo chese na ye hassle kakra nti okobisa multimedia management so srom omompeka aketu obi mani nyusu na onfa nkwa adwuma onfa nkofie what I say from work to work sa because ne car o use na say for months or the taxi and a call and a debut or deba ni nyina ye ka wa wunyame pa akire no ena anwumre time upon ni show a obi make sure say work session na si nyina anya ka kofi on bekwa koduru fie no na ade asa oye ba bibi atimisi from kokomremre to tema mutwe kakra because bekwa koduru fie be 1 a.m. na fe de wasen so ya ba adwuma around 5:30 a.m. and up every single working day no eno tro say hustle akasa nti for a bigger company to say multimedia nkomo say employee ba ko a na dwuma so ani sinya bam ho aba beka asem we ya kire no one would think say okay say sa na tie dia na ne at least yem person wo ka bi ma no na onyusu for now say ne be your be get ne car no back na so be setting normal straight well ne happen here after so ko bisa car ni na dwuma na o ya na ma ne nuru fie ntem no burning issues no omoje say dwuma ni firi ni nsem the man another lady from TV Africa. So mo sheda kofa sa lady ne kura ba so me replace afia pokua. Idin kura sen. Akua boachiwa yi adom. Yeah, omo kofa from TV Africa. Ma basically no be replace afia pokua because say wakobisa for car. Enye no nko an na afia pokua sen host another show on TV so. Mi wo case ana show no na ni din no. Omo sanje say show ni free nsem de manipa foforo. En science aye. Na afia pokua read news no Monday to Friday. Omu yi 2 days film ntina fedo redeem news no Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. I don't know say I said gradually they are pushing her out of the company. Most people will feel rejected by the company if says a weird mama company be na say sa de ni bi to wa. Still now so wa omu share that sign the nipa foforo bae. Say dwuma mu say fia pokua no ye den kakra bi kura na omu nka na ntum. Which means that 17 years now one year dwuma. Even omo make it this type of decisions ne kura no. Sa time na no all better for company ne kura na sanko for no company ho. Some of them no credit company ho. And still this is what all go through our company ho. Ntini se fia pokua asem bi ba na obie na no kasa na no ye din kete kura na eso mo kana no tum. E to da bi fia pokua timura multimedia building mu chia. So just it shows you the relationship workers na free ho no money company ne wo when you now happen to have your pokua simply because say wakwako bisa for car and so what on December 15th 2018 asempafo any adom FM for ka adwumayefo ni nyina no ekokohia wo tesano for some meeting bia no mokakoye so we mo kwako discuss issues no make ka ho Omo manager at the time ni din de Abu ni said up ladies says omuduru wa efia pokua bie na no yedede kakra bi a omo shutting down efia obi a no was a meeting na say Saturday no can testify to this which is abusia efia pokua de o de yemfa nsi ha ono so ye adwuma for multimedia for 17 years. Fifth person nso ye Nana ya Abrefo nso ye adwuma for multimedia for 10 years nche ye bia no ofiri ho because of misunderstanding be a buy between time can say Bishop Bernard Nyaku wo ho nsensema e buy Nana ya Abrefo frɛ Nana Mama Brown phone so a ɔne ni di nkomo a kyese nkomo no anko yie sa kyese mekura ntwim taste ni yie wo ti ase anko yie sa ndi sa asem no ho misunderstanding ni how a enya sem bia bate beba ya asem later on a twist kokofa baabi no eno ene man ni gina so resigning from multimedia. Now for more munim no Nana ya Abrefo was to show multimedia na show no din ye asoko. Now sa specific show no se wo hwa na wakoma ba. Now se more munim se ne sitie no multimedia for no put sa show no together purposefully say omo de sa show no provoke celebrities amache say omo buafu na omo ahwe how a omo be control omo temper. That is the show and that's can say Nana ya Abrefo lady no or running and host no multimedia ho me medika ya kasa show no ho asempen say ne sa show ne kono personally no I hate it just say me offer me say washada ma me buafu na wahwe say ne mesia control me temper say ne mesia di wakem sa dey no were kora be ho because onyam ma me na minimu ntu offer me ama me buafu na se hunu akwa nti za wahwe Nana ya Abrefo was a show asokwo ne so a utimu se sa na orani show no because that is how a multimedia mpanimfo no omatena se ahihye show no se ne ese ekwo ne se ne si ese ye gote ase e na ono no da no nti ne ze bibidi ani a ono na yeso mkata di attack no straight Nana ya Abrefo ni keke for so ye interview was a show no so eno no so anko ye sa show no aso no tena so keka kire wa ati America to ya sewo Jesus sa show no specifically ne dia sad na ekọ oti ase nti no friend na nama na can say Bishop Bra wo studio wa na omo kasa no that is the nature of the show na all running ne how we say ekọ because omo try provoke nipa no to get a response and be on better ratings for more television station, you know, at the expense of nipa no my friend no. And I even enyo no kwa obi a wa host to show ni before even Sister Sandy be a guy ono so nya brasa me wo so the same thing na sa de koye that tells you say that is how we plan the show nafa nti after so ni Nana Mama Brown kasa wo ni show no so no amanfo bebre na anya nhye da anye ho di na obi aso twetwe ne style bi a ope di na time style bi a ope e na amanfo no say omum oikan say Nana ya Abrefo no ni the whole the squad no omum mra bonten mra mepa Mac Brown chow because say na osi ne kasa ye no ne kwanso no nya sa na ni nipa kasa oti ase nti no motena ase ono ne management ne mpanimfo no tena ase say okay say na aba ade no ye mpacha ne mpacha chena because say by at least 3 days time no na case na a dead case say ne plan ne adwom kokofai na o mafasa adwen we ne plan we atena ase a decide say omo nkonko pacha obi ya no eho e na producers ne management no man ko host o man hena asante kokotena kokopa na Mama branch
ade ba kwa mpese wona ehwe ne wona etie nyina hye ne so ne se yenya kwanya betena ha etimpo ene yensusu ye ne se ebetima ye adwuma ese fata but yana montu ne adwuma di aye di no se bia woni bi ebi akwachew etiewa enye tirimopo a ye bone anase nye bo apayo enti ye besre se botai pa ede wo ha di dwuma ne se ye bo magana etumpo ye bo atima ka busua bom ye bo na abrabo ankasa asetena so ko atima bem na so atima mo atima asere and the most important values that ye adwuma wa no say ti woni adwuma ye di etitu the late Bishop na konkoma ye di wa nyina no akofa nkyeremu fufuru bi abere no botai no enye botai aye obeka ye lo eni wa malicious intent is very clear ti akwati a okwan bi aso a wo hihye be sese ye nkoso nya busua ba ko se nye bo afayo anamontu na etuye
nti e basa no e Nana ya Abrefo fili se na kofo we me ne mo na atena akekere po na mo makwakosa ne mo de te se e manu fili sam kan bu ebi oti ase e na enye no nko a after that keke for so interview yeah no so ho ba asem no mpanimfo no twen ne ho se wo no wakwakoye asem ne o de awon ko afa abra mo na mo ahyehye this specific show so ono no metena so na chese onye ne the dirty job no se mo be kaya something similar and happen wo Manase Azuri ono so ne die mu a original so a ono so ye den ono so firi ho no na ya abrafo so ye adwuma for multimedia for 10 years 6 persons so ohima we yeje so na ye adwuma multimedia and ono so firi ho for the simplest reason say oh ye adwuma what I think 6 years or for the simplest reason say can say multimedia for no omo so breaching the contract in a way na nye say adwuma ne de omo gina so de fa na adwuma mu no enye no na afi de omo na ye wo de ebe ko ho no no so ne de ne say ne ko ye o take the maternity leave October and 3 months later or sign back ba start adwuma about an hour to the time obekọ air no and na multimedia mpanimfo no omo send in my can say WhatsApp message say memma ne nko air no onda ne show ni nche ni pa foforonsa no enya de so mbema na ko ebiem abra ne boss no ankyere no ne ntia enye so ko na even before that kura no omone na nyankasa na so omoni kan na nkasa ankyere ne hwiemu as to why sad na happen that abruptly what you say but so when the contract of employment multimedia fa na as a presenter as a host as a DJ basically what you say dino no ba we ne say on use the fingers abusion piapia no ntwetwe na afedi on fa entertain the viewers on fa engage the viewers no for the time slot wa omodi amano no na ne ma breach of contract ne ba ne say adwuma omo fa ne so no mara meye wo ne contract so no after so omo kan me ma ne nko ebiem no na enye se adwuma no na afedi omo ma no ye nti adwuma na from that point on oye no adwuma na nka ne contract ho to say field work production work ne ne keka ho and I say, move for me as a presenter, not this type of work. What you say? Nti ono so enunti a man free, you got to say multimedia. 7th person, Captain Smart. Captain Smart main reason for so free multimedia because of say or call Angel FM. But enye no kwa. There is more stuff. Captain Smart is making a kind of wasam dada. What part 1 no? Captain Smart went off on a management. Say come on board bukure uwa. Obu ntobi nshem. And no matter as he was baby. Yes, he nearly exited. And I want Shekura na he still resign. And after he resign, but the reasons Ninte were free multimedia and back when they say the producers and confession I say a buano man show away a bab on 10 a month 40 a month for whom you or the day or person in Nano. Sound of one no more cut to your multimedia the more munisha. Nti time be a no pushy some multimedia phone to sound of one so cut to him kakra because nkran ya setena eden kakra nti usika sem ofoma ya na ase ubulidi kakra ba ni nyina no management antie second ye lady bia ye odi abla a yi na di free multimedia chese kwan o mo fa so mo di yi no Captain Smart ni anye ho ti time so no na yeso okọ no amana ntenke twice kra and na third and main reason tia Captain Smart di free can say multimedia na say time man no wo multimedia no Angel FM for per se ono smart no oba be ye adwuma ma Angel FM ti no mo bre no correct and a very good deal ankasa Captain Smart who say good deal no ni ko to dwe shekiye and abusua or agree to the deal na ankasa that time no he was 8 years into the 10 years contract I'm not war with multimedia no nti oji scan what you say because Captain Smart ni project dosun ohia ska bebiri ankasa George Scano and I go yes obeying obey free multimedia for Angel FM. But multimedia for who you know almost him fan her. Heneha. Obunti ase. Do no man ase am Captain Smart and quite during that time. And na omono instead of saying ke bia multimedia so be take advantage. You know so many times with football players dey. So moves obi ba be free wa. Then you counter the deal. What you say na ke bia nka ska Captain Smart quite free Angel FM for we. Na ka multimedia tuya na ka mo dia extend Captain Smart ne contract na onyo mo currently no ba no so ankwa happen sa di na kwa ese Captain Smart no waka nsinsemu ono a no ma ekoso na ninye ho because I remember me who one video be of Smart no go after the management like seriously e was the same multimedia wa I'm sure say most of you guys who say video ne pen ndi ono a na ekoso wo campaign num na ninye e na the contract wo ho no so kire say so ka company ho e na ska wo kakwaje from other company no so a oro so a wontimi konko yes adwuma no ndi the only thing na obetimi aya ne say so otwen man 10 years e won contract ne so no eso Saturday ne so ye no wanya adwuma one day kura nka ho nti time na ne contract ne be end ya no wo air no na wa send in resignation letter dada nti after say after the time ne so ya wo be free ho no ho enom HR department no starting so mu chase Captain Smart multimedia ho pa ne chew so mo sere na mema ne nko but that time no na ye too late Captain Smart now tezi o Angel FM na sa di ya medikia buboyi no ya amanfo hyede ni mo pa omo substantial amount of followers and amanfo ti omo on a daily basis but ya amanfo bebre nso a omo nso aye adwuma efo multimedia ne Adom Brands na keka ho no ache yie but still na omo nso no kwan omo fa so omo yi omo dia na omo di free ho no bebre na so di ntwa yie sa so I think say you look at a few of them starting with the 8th person Nina Kudowona dini de abusia mabu atia na mo fancheme Samuel Nina Ku no no so news editor ma Adom FM se ne na fia pokua so news editor na pepepe no ne de no oye no kan say oye for editor no for 6 PM news abra na fia pokua nso ye for kan say afternoon now say a kind loyal employee sa guy no he is one of them now no ono so yakoba ya ye di na de ne ye the same thing something similar to ne fia pokua de no ko happen ye na ono nso kokobisa omo management for car nti abusuan so ye adwuma o multimedia now na so wa hwen ye so kokobisa for car jai na nche wawie ye ba Samuel Nina Akudie no ne ma no kobisa for car from omo management no eno so nie ono ne car no use di gba adwuma no ono nso de say for over 5 years ago now you may ask say now we adwuma for big brand like multimedia say ye ja car omuntimi nkura car no muntimi ntoka yeah from the sources no multimedia page shadanye but ne de ne mo no nsu ko gina nsu ko bisa car ne say ono ne car no use ne say over 5 years ago nti time bi obeba adwuma bi ya no o de Uber na eba na adwuma na wo ye no o ma san di bia beka ho because like I said na afia pokuya de tifo awia but afia pokuya free ho no afia pokuya adwuma ni nyina ase ba beka ho no ho na ye so ono su ko fie san ba adwuma ntem nti se adwuma na do so de a na ne mumwa no na mompeka bi ma no se na ebe ye ono so de beko na ode beba owi afia pokuya ja adwuma na kwa na mfre no ko fre na nko kafia tunefo abusuan enoko bisa aka ono so na wie ye no because the morning news editors ne ba adwuma around 6 to 7 because omo shift no start 8 AM to take and 2 PM na I can say omo edit for evening news no omo so shift na started from I think 11 AM to 7 PM after so omo can news na wie no and sana so omo wie a omo san edit news for the next morning because omo san kan no pa news so o di ase ndi fo bi a wa ye adwuma na ogusu ye adwuma mamu na se ne car say na so the request we ba to a company like multimedia and sheda nya de bi ye so over the top say omuntimi nyema no but enam ka okobisa yenti no ye yi na di next person ya bla make ase e beba ne so ni di no if I butcher it abusuam mo fa nchame nya menini na ye adwuma abla so de ne kire say e ya wure ho sem keke the lady no american say account e ma Captain Smart yes all free multimedia one green ho twice no ono so de ni say ne kokobae omo management pam no for say okoka kire multimedia CEO kwasitwum how wo bre for stories na waye adwuma for multimedia for 7 years na onye salary yeah let that sink in now say wonnim the ins and outs of multimedia na so te asemu ya wan hwe abeka kora say nye nokore but ne man ko buy na ne see e happen ye no say netie na bla no ye intern wo multimedia for 7 years intern ye obi a okwa kosua bibi afiri obi ho anase wo ba bi normally no ka internship say kind of ade no e happen nipa no ye no a month to be 3 months now they are your internship na wi but for bi te say lady ya ono na ye adwuma for ho ono na ye adwuma wo ho for 7 years no and then it say it's no more an internship and then it more of say company no any gene adwuma ho nti no mo pese o mo fa no ye adwuma mo but in the right terms and come be fan as an employee no enye sa na ne de ne happen ye still now no ye intern now and now say sa de ne ye so weird say intern go for 7 years no just say at a point no you refuse that month when you be ba ho management ne think about all this stuff and na de no mo ye next nyomu ya ne say omo ye no get this paid intern Chese still na usua de o but your money ska enye ska as salary ska but ska as an allowances what you say so kwa your story when your transportation say ma wala wa kakra betim dia kwa back and forth ne keka ho na ebi e wo mu ani apeka kakra hye wo ho not salary but allowance and until your friend paid intern now say the word paid intern enya de bia exist just o ma hye da kwen in a way say lady no ubisa ne say oye de adwuma o hefa obeka tro so oye adwuma multimedia but multimedia no onye employee oye intern but paid na ye de aka ho no akwa ebibi ti say still na attachment ana ne internship na ba multimedia so ba besu ade no still onye nsu anwie ntine unya nsu anwie de resident awka ena say or the 7 years na say still na onye nsu anwie ya ida say wabon ankasa ena second ida say say adwumayefo no bibi kwaso a eyeso kinki o ti ase ena the worst thing about that kura ne say basa na wona wo ye adwuma in this case abla no won share the need security won share the need say for example yes small say kwa abonten kokova story bi na fabra na say wo kona se bibi si wo ho a still na say esi woni any insurance bia wo ho because say again onye employee ma multimedia so multimedia no can't really help you because technically no onye employee for multimedia uno ye intern even though say oh yeah juma as an employee for multimedia. You see how crazy and twisted this thing is. Nti we na dakoro omo management omo CEO Kenansa omo CEO Kwasi Twim ene adwumayefo of Adom Brands no omo nyina kokko hia in a meeting ema ya kan say Adom CEO adwuma pani Kwasi Twim bi sa omo say se obi wo ho na se oye adwuma na se bibi wo ho na se do obi akoma so no pese oka onka nti e ho ena abla no kopagya ba se wa ye adwuma for multimedia for 7 years yentua ne ka onye salary oti ase ena on top of that na se ko ne nim kakra no o maye le paid intern nti e ho na ye se CEO of you can say multimedia Mr. Kwasi Twim ono no te shock kakra because the term paid intern or no class on TV that because it's either say we are intern and not employee but paid intern there any book umsa nti ono ankasa bisa asesa paid intern no ene de na asechire mponi sen oti ase di later no e no pa lady nature so osre na onim ne ekos because we say company ne ye ne dia but onye adwuma wo ho odi adwuma na nje nipa bebere na ansa no pa ne say obe deal with this issue nti e ho no e na mpanimfo a te say they are in charge of that kind of normal no omuhu say girl you fucking yeah na kwete yeto but still na nam say Mr. Twim or yes CEO adwuma ne ne dia no at a point bia na so hu normal e kwase when the company hence the reason for this kind of meetings no now after meeting yes na bla no sane omo amabro sign up befom and or say some of the managers na can say girl yate yeto and nam say nti e beyi na di fast forward to 1 month later and omodi na yidie nkrata abre no because omo yi na di ho na wan hwa na ko raise some little bit of suspicion ho the 1 month later and omodi na yidie nkrata abre no na omodi man no ne omo kaka ho ne say onye surprise say ye yi na di you say and no chira say ya simu and no chira say the problem my wo multimedia is not really the employees enya amanfo na ye adwuma no and enye CEO Mr. Kwasi Twim no but amanfo bi no ma ye de adwuma ni bi ma hyehyɛ omonsa no omo na ye ne omo person omo ye bia ba wo de ye kɔ yanim 10th person Emma Morrison so no general manager e wo Joy no no so join adwuma because of the disrespect no receive on a daily basis from the company for no no so ne de ne ye kɔ ba ye ne say na Joy brand Joy news no mu yi workers bebredi omo yi nipa na dia ma ne babeduru amanfo e hye na se a o manage omo o hwe omo so no abra sampanimfo no omo ne nantena se anka hwe because anka ne kwan so no anka ono nipa odo omo ano no nka momo ma mpanimfo no ntop momo saa e kan se general manager no order say nipa we na dwuma so ani momo ne nko na afede onu mo akwa yi nipa na di but here's the situation say happen sa ono no te hwa na omo top no omayi nipa na di abra omo nka njire no nti se nipa no kokoduru fi a na omo na fresh da Emma Morrison no ebisa na say na die nti a omo yi na di na ono no kora no nje da nim se yi za nipa na di o ti ase nti no no bisa die nti a yi na di nti so ono ye general manager na ka kire hu kire ni sa nipa na yi na di ne say onim ne ekoso na yi die ne kora na obi anka njire no a na nipa no filisa say oditro because when I general manager I na ohwe me so na say wo panyina kan tell me say wayi madi na say wo ni ma which is a little bit weird but it kept happening nipa ne ye no mayi omadi na fe de nipa no kofia no afre ma no ema ne try so chire ma amafo ne nyini ni na akwakoye sa akwaye never ending spiral bi ho nti we na akobae no so stormy call no mo CEO wo ne squad fo no so ko biza say what is really happening o ti ase nti no obi anim ne cause was a meeting as well but ema nani anhye da anye ho sa nti ato aso cause so yes no e no no ankasa no oja ya adwuma no because to her no it look like say as omummu no and on top of that na say adwuma na o ye no okuta adwuma no for some e can say for obi for fra oba beji adwuma na ye ona dey akwakoye some kind of paid intern abuja ye kwa the next person so 11th person so Emmanuel Abuaji wiafe ono so no ye adwuma ma joy business oye na adwuma oye so oye ni ne dey nyina e no kokoduru fie no e na omo management sending email so ono so ye ntimine ni nya adwuma biem. That was the end. Next person Shilata Makulu ono so no ye adwuma for joy business when the oba adwuma na the editors man so nkwa bonten nkwa ye videos nkwa interviews ni ekeka ho omo so man on an assignment ndi okoyo ye na assignment twa na eso twa nyina oba back ababe edit dia man editor na video no person omo de aye no eho e na onya call for HR department kire ne say multimedia ntumi ne nya adwuma biem and now so that was it. Next person usi Novan Aqua so no ye adwuma for joy business sa ono so hu say amu yiyi amanfo wo ho no ne co-workers ne colleagues amu yiyi amu nyina di without any reason no e na ono so joy adwuma no abusia brembra mama ne ma owu ne fere anyu owu de abusia you know the end hwe me say list ne ba video now read newa list ne ba even ba bedru Mubarak Yakubu so tese Mubarak Yakubu ono so say agya multimedia akwa join Angel FM but ono ne the end ase home because ono no wasa nte normal hwe me personally no I love multimedia. I will never work at multimedia because of my salary nye o just here and true no kore wa no waka. I love multimedia. And no see you, Mr. Kwesichum. He's a guy here, and family nipa away. It's very hard to say bad thing about this man. Ultimately, or a very good person, akasa from the core of his heart. And I ade we na ekosunu nyina no. Ubisa obi a Captain Smart Kofi Adoma or more makeke ni nyina na. Say it's not really on any fault, but on more eyes on more there adwuma na no. The differences and I say indifferences and I say the interwantawa between the workers and the management no and only the whole thing here workers need free adwuma mo no nye because the love and now odona na mo ma company no odona san o ti ase we nye Yakubu do ni bia the whole point of this video because anytime bia nipa ba ko be free multimedia even say nipa ni wodin kakra no these same questions ni keeps happening say I didn't tell nipa we ya adwuma for multimedia ye nim ne so o ye multimedia worker na fe de waja adwuma. And then it starts bringing so much questions. If you are Captain Smart, Nanaya Abrefo, Himawe, so many of them. What you say? Time be about Kubia Biano. Sastem way down the course where happen eba. But at the back was on say, so come through on the kind of what same no match ni for viewers. They don't because as almost was to say, Ghana ni Kurano. Oka said, this is this and this and this and that. And now, Wajaya, on Beka say you are ungrateful. Time and now, holiday. One casa saying we were free one and I walk. And as a one casua, just yes, Ghana for now, you're weird. We are very weird people, Ankasa. And this all bizarre in the video winner. That is the point. Send a bear. A bema who near course or multimedia and no man has a relationship at Daho. Ninienti as a top dog, some penny for one more magic dino. Every free go join any other platforms, any other networks. Now, so what's the deal more free multimedia? I can't mass more video. Omuni now were wanting. Almost all of them were wanting in common. Management. So what is really going on at the management side of multimedia? Because it looks like it doesn't misunderstanding between the employee and the management. And as management, ultimatum say, okay, wanna call anase you say anase yes, so it all comes down to management. Then found when any parents were for years crowd. It looks like I said there is a disconnect between the workers and the employees and the management. So the later part of this video, you look a little bit into management. Before the normal manager or Shadon Branson, then he didn't na PNT. if I'm not mistaken. Time and on war, yes, now on workers need now a very good relationship. Well, we send any part free or left and right, like now. Then it happen here. Nana Pientinu Jai, Adom Koko join in Accra FM. And I'm so free or Koko join in, whole about that dome, and now multimedia is on more failing. And I'm one other guy, Abubakar Abdullah. Dodo na friend Abu, omokofa ni free TV Africa. Then a baby replace no. Now ho, and a problem in a stem free. Now I said that because I'm with free TV Africa buyer, so I'm manage Adom brands no. And during his time no, and the most big names no. If you free ho. Now matete so no one kasa Abu no chese we so person ye boxy boss, chese boss what they say on that name. Workers need that kind of relationship, no. You know, a tight or running a tight shape one kasa. And no, just Udia TV. Sa bu na kasa no, on me free TV Africa and a buyer. Or buyer no answer why Medikin Canada. So Cocofa one lady money be replace a few pokia, which is a queer watchwa yadom, if I'm not mistaken. And so while manager Bu ya sign Cocofa another guy from TV Africa, some ram head or moon news, any current affairs, which is AC or hene. Now AC or hene no so buy no and or the kodwa prompa. Kwame enuma na afre de ma me chira diamond. Will anyone want to guess baby as any party de so free buy? You guess right. TV Africa. Ntina kwa ko say manager Bu buy no the squad ya na ahwa de om hangi with TV Africa nyina no. Wa pa aduma mo multimedia at the expense of can say names na free one. This already na put 2 and 2 together. Hwe ne ekwa na kwa say TV Africa squad no oma build some kind of an empire bi within the multimedia group limited was a Ghana limited omo no sankofo na we manager Bu no feel confident with because oni omo na ye adwuma from TV Africa ndi ni se wo ba na se won shedan kasa squad ne ho a to me no me 2 cents ni I said wono shedan on shedan fa ho sa and that may very well explain the reason why big names they say fear can say Kofi captain omo nyina free wa I say still no and shadam fa nipa bebre ho sa no what you say. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying say omo do omo free TV Africa buy and they are bad. No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just telling you the facts and I'm not my ekwoso e multimedia ho. And obviously no enye we gwa na ekwoso wo utimu say no ma ekwoso multimedia akasa banye nyina na ebeka ho asem wo ha utimu say omo osoro the management the HR na squad for not you say omo no fili and a workers employees no omo no nsu bilidi corona ba ye kura no yes omo management no jeje corona allowances but workers no nada omo management no jeje depression allowances abra omo no nko field nko hunu oma bia bra but workers na nkasa omo ko field koko hunu oma ebemo omo ye depressed no omo nyi sala allowance ni bi management ni mpanimfo na eje so me no I don't know say bia workers ni kokofa news ni bana so mutie news na eya na managers na depressed njomu ye depression allowance but what do I know menya doctor hwe ga ye mi dwale chen obi ya wo wiase capito aya adwuma wo multimedia pen for so many years wo de bese da kan ho asem in one specific episode ni etia me ha capito every single day ni etia me boa na mana sesa free ni sugbambo ne ho wo ti ase bese da kan ho asem one day but Capito name AJ ni papa be ku de moja can say High Life Media Squad no talk about this matter with one guy Nana Kofi if I'm not mistaken about multimedia because Capito ni sa guy no omo ya adwuma ho so omo so ma a further explanation of to no ma ekwoso multimedia during their time ni how a multimedia running and a function me leave link to sell video no YouTube video description na se wo Capito Facebook, please, go check it. It's very interesting video, Ankasa. Now, I would like to end video with the same message. Me using part 1 video no. Michael Schumacher, not a Formula 1 champion for 5 years in a row from 2000 to 2004. So we a real Michael Schumacher fan, you can admit say, or we need 5 years in a row because no driver the fastest Ferrari car at the time. But so was sign Kai who say Sankenya Michael Schumacher so anka Ferrari car na the fastest no nka no so minihwe eno kira wo say you need both parties to perform at their best na Ferrari here Michael Schumacher say na Michael Schumacher so no here Ferrari no to perform at their best. And that same thing can be applied to multimedia. Any of my top players now I start to say free one. Yep, abusia say video wey interesting mawa. Just share it and then the boy me we say video na ya man for be dey ni je ho. And also a boy ma video na reach so many people at the same time. Ntini say wunnim ne akokɔ so multimedia na say ne ma manfo binum fifiri wa. Now you know. Subscribe to your YouTube channel and click Wadomano so say new video be a baby ano. E pa ya na on saka. Till we meet again abusia. Adios.